been a long time coming. Put it all down for you. All or nothing. Ask myself, oh, was it worth it? Was it worth it now? Was it worth it?
Yeah, it was worth it, cause I came up, I never changed up.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to JMC Rides. I'm John, and happy Friday, guys. Just a few more hours and your weekend will start very soon. So yes, guys, it came to a point that with the modifications that I'm doing on my Jeep Wrangler, I have to start selling some things. Now, I'm not selling the Jeep. I've already told you guys many times before on the channel that this Jeep is staying. I'm not selling this Jeep. What I'm talking about that I have to sell is I'm selling the leather that comes on my Jeep Wrangler. Now, keep in mind, for the people who are new to the channel, this isn't just a regular Rubicon. This is a Rubicon Hard Rock, which is like the same thing as a Rubicon Recon or like a Rubicon X. The leather on this actually has like different stitching. I'm going to show it to you guys, so if any of you are interested in buying the leather from my Wrangler, just send me a DM on Instagram, send me a direct message, and we'll work out a price, something like that, and we'll figure it out. You can make me an offer, let me know if you guys are interested. But let me just show you the inside so you can see what the leather looks like before it gets removed from my Jeep. Now, just in case you guys didn't see the last video, the reason why I'm doing all this is because my brand new custom leather already arrived, and we're going to be installing that leather next week. Very, very excited. I already saw what the leather looks like. I'm going to give you guys a quick peek of what it looks like. Okay, that's enough. So, if you want to see what this actually looks like installed on the Jeep next week, stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, click the little bell icon so you can sign up for the notifications, and you will get notified when that leather gets installed on my Wrangler. But let me show you what the leather looks like on the inside. You guys actually really thought I was going to sell my Rubicon? Come on. This Rubicon is staying. I'm going to try and keep this Rubicon for as long as humanly possible. As long as this Rubicon is still, you know, rolling around, I'm going to have it. And you guys know I like to take care of my things. But anyway, this is the leather. Check out the stitching. So on the Hard Rock, I believe this is an option only specific like on the Hard Rocks. It has like the white stitching. It's kind of like, it's not even white. It's kind of like a silver gray type of color. And the leather seats are in great condition, as you can see, guys. This Jeep is a 2017, so it's brand new. Show you the stitching over here again. The leather's in perfect condition, guys. I've only had the Jeep, what, for like a year or so? So it's a 2017 Jeep. So guys, like I said before, if you're interested in buying this leather, I'm gonna have the work all professionally done. They're gonna remove the leather. I'm going to be putting it up for sale. Send me a DM on Instagram, jmcrides.official, and we'll work out a price, shipping, or whatever the case might be. Make me an offer. We got a lot of exciting modifications happening for the Rubicon next week. More Hellcat videos on the way. More videos on the Silverado. Lots to come. Again, hit that subscribe button, click the bell icon so you can sign up for notifications, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many